Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mount the z906 speakers to the wall. As you can see behind there and behind me there, I have mounted the speakers to the wall, so I will show you how to do that. So yeah, you can do it in the future. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you now. So as you can see, this is mounted to the wall right here. So all you need is this mount that you can see right here. It's a mount that you can buy for like 20 bucks, maybe even 10 bucks, I don't even know, but I bought it a couple of years ago. So yeah, all you really need is this mount. Then you need to screw it together, attach it to the speaker back here with a screw, and then attach it to the wall right here. So yeah, that's basically all you need, and I have done it in all four corners of my room, down there, here, there, and there. So yeah, that's pretty much all. So thank you so much for watching this short video, and I hope you like it, and see you in the next one. Bye.